MLGO stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is MicroAlgo stock a buy? I am going to be breaking all of this down in this brief and short 1 minute video. So looking at MicroAlgo, I see sort of a pull down, not in a way, I'm not saying this in a way that I, do this, do that. I'm not advising you to do whatever. I'm just showing you what I would do. I'm the only guy in the space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years. Everything is documented on my YouTube channel, and my bias that I got was so on point. Well, it didn't give me the confirmation, but it did deliver to the lows. And just looking at this, I'm not going to do nothing. Like, genuinely not going to do anything. We have an upcoming split, which is going to be reserved for tomorrow, which is going to be timing the price by 30. It's going to put the price at like 18 bucks, I believe, if I did the math correct. But yeah, other than that, I'll definitely keep you updated. Still a bearish range. For me to be bullish, it must break above 74 cents, but that's about to change tomorrow since we're going to have a split. Stay tuned. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.